Iputen Primary School is situated in Alexandra. The poverty level cannot be underestimated or overemphasized. Hence, it is so important for people who have got resources to contribute and help where we need help. Especially, I think, painting this school will bring difference in the lives of our kids. They will concentrate more if they learn in an environment which is well painted, well furnished. I think in that type of environment, it's a human nature that teachers will be more motivated to teach, and learners will be more motivated to learn. So it is so important to invest in this area where there is a need.